I think its credit goes to the Prime Minister of Pakistan, Imran Khan, as well as His Royal Highness, the Crown Prince, because this issue was discussed between them, and we have had full support, not just moral support, full support in the multilateral fora between Saudi, Pakistan, and the OIC countries, which after which we were able to achieve this, and this is a big success. You know, after 9/11 how Islam was associated with terrorism, and effort was made to carve out a stereotype for Muslims. This effort, this initiative of bringing the focus on Islamophobia is a long-term thing. It will break that stereotype that some people tried to build between Muslims and terrorism. And I think this is a great achievement, not only of the Prime Minister of Pakistan, but also of His Royal Highness the Crown Prince and his guidance and leadership for the OIC. And it was a joint effort, and Alhamdulillah, it came to fruition.